Hey guys, I'm back with Cooking with Nelly. I'm not gonna say he's already cooking today, even though it is cooking. I am very antsy right now. I don't know why, and not trying to figure it out either. So I just started cooking. My stress reliever, my go-to is cooking. And a part of me feeling antsy and overthinking today is figuring out my purpose and what I'm called to do, what I want to do in life. And part of it is me having my back injury. Excuse my laundry in the background for the noise. But part of it is having a back injury and not working for over 2 years now. It has been depressing and overwhelming. But I'm making shrimp fried rice. This is scallions I'm cutting up right now. And I'm going to try to make shrimp fried rice today. This is my first time. So I had to get the green onions, the scallions, to put in my rice. I'm not going to put too much. But I'm going to put the bottom of it too. That, onion. I got a regular onion as well. And you guys, I don't cut tiny pieces, but today I am. I got the stool today. Back acting up from working out yesterday. It's a nice day outside. I don't know if you got a chance to get outside. I did earlier. But still in this house overthinking. And I said, let me get to cooking. Thinking about moving. My mind been on moving. Getting back to work. That's my main thoughts. Getting back to work. Getting back healthy. And getting to a way I could use my hands better while I was sitting down. That's the only way I could seem like I can move my hands to the best of my ability if I use a stool. I'm just gonna put that much in there. That's all. Yeah, it's a good thing too is having a good knife. It would cause less pressure on your hands and your back too. So this is one of my best knives. It ain't that great, but it's doing the job for now. Making something quick and easy. The only thing I have to do is the longest part is making the rice. That's my longest, the only longest part about this meal is making the rice. So I'm gonna boil it. Making brown rice. If you guys can't tell, when I do cook, I am more calm. And I feel like my voice is more clear because I'm at peace. Because I'm doing something I like. I did try to go back to work cooking. Working in the school. A school, sorry. And I couldn't use the stool for safety reasons. So... But I did try to go back to work, getting a job, cooking, so I will have less anxiety and pain. I feel like if they allow me to use my stool, I think I could be able to work somewhere. But finding somewhere with accommodations, and I need breaks a lot. I don't know why, but If anybody that do have anxiety and suffer from depression knows that it's hard to work without getting enough breaks because you feel like the wolf is closing in on you. I love looking out the window. I love nature. I love cooking. I like small spaces. I don't like crowds. I don't like, I don't like it. So I'm gonna get this rice boiling and I'll be back. So I'm gonna wash my rice off. I'm gonna wash my rice off. Alexa, 5. Alexa, volume 5. Yeah, so I'm boiling the rice. Boiling my rice.